Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to have both portrait and landscape pages in the same Microsoft Word document. If you want to mix both orientations, I will guide you step by step on how to do that. This feature is useful when working on documents that require different formatting for different sections, such as reports, presentations, or booklets. First, open your Word document. Let's say we want the first page to be in portrait orientation and the second page to be in landscape orientation. To do this, click on the Layout tab at the top. In the ribbon, find the Page Setup group. Look for the small arrow in the bottom right corner of this section and click on it. This will open the Page Setup window, where you can adjust the document's page settings. In the Page Setup window, go to the Orientation section, select Landscape. Then, look at the Apply To section below. Click the drop-down menu and select this point forward. After that, click OK. Now, everything from this point forward will be in landscape orientation while the first page remains in portrait. If you want to switch back to portrait orientation for the next page, go to the page where you want the portrait orientation to start. Again, go to the Layout tab and open the Page Setup window by clicking the small arrow in the corner. Under Orientation, select Portrait. In the Apply To section, choose this point forward. Click OK. Now, you will see that the document starts in Portrait, changes to Landscape, and then switches back to Portrait. You can repeat these steps whenever you need to change the orientation of a specific section. If you need more control over your document structure, you can use section breaks. To do this, place your cursor at the end of the page before you want the orientation to change. Then go to the Layout tab, click Breaks, and choose Next Page under Section Breaks. This will allow you to apply different orientations to specific sections without affecting the entire document. This method allows you to have a mix of page orientations in the same document. It is useful when you need to display wide tables, charts, or other content that fits better in landscape mode while keeping the rest of the document in portrait. That is all for this tutorial. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.